In the last video, we had a look at how to check if a user is allowed to enter somewhere. Now we want to check if the user is allowed to leave a route. I already set up the user added route to have this confirm button. So I'll now quickly add a script here to export my default object belonging to this view component. And there I want to have some methods, and I also want to have some data, my data object. And in there, I will simply return an object where I set edited to false, or not edited, let's name it confirmed to false. Don't need the method to be honest. I can simply add a click listener here and set confirmed equal to true inside there. So this now controls whether I did click this button or not. And now on this component, and this is now the only place where I can specify this, as before in user detail with before route enter, I can now set up before route leave. Again, this is the only place where I can do this because, well, it is in the component where I want to check this, right? This is right before I actually do navigate away. So checking this on a global level would be too late. The navigation would already be on its way. So instead it's here in the component which decides are you even allowed to go somewhere else. And here I check to, from, and then also next. And I have to call next to let the request continue. I can also abort and redirect here, just like with before route enter. And here I could check if this confirmed is true. Here, of course, I do have access to this confirmed because I'm in the component and I'm talking about are you allowed to leave? Of course, the component has been created at this point of time. We were using it all the time. So here I may access it with this. And I can check if this is confirmed, in which case I want to navigate. If it is not confirmed, well, then I want to throw or show the confirm dialog, are you sure? To let the user decide if he wants to continue. Confirm, this dialog will return true or false depending on whether the user clicked yes or no. And if this was yes, then I also want to navigate away. Otherwise, I want to abort the navigation. So we have this double check. If the button was clicked, you're always free to leave. If the button was not clicked, well, then I'm asking you with the confirm dialog. If you say yes there, okay, you're allowed to leave. If you say no, you'll stay on this page. This would be a typical setup where you want to ensure that a user doesn't navigate away by accidentally hitting the back button or something like this. So with this, let's load this again, go to added user, we're there. And now let's try to go to home. I didn't click the confirm button, so now I'm asked if I want to leave. And if I click on cancel, I'm staying on this page. If I click on OK, well, then I'm allowed to leave. And therefore, if I now go there again, and now I click confirm first and click now on go to home, I'm instantly allowed to leave because confirmed was set to true, and this is the first check I do have here. And these are the two navigation guards you have before entering and before leaving, so that you can really control when the user is allowed to be where in your application.